Hi, I'm Brett from Redsbaby and I'm going to take you a tour on the SKIP³ stroller. So let me take you through some of its best features. With 1 second, with one hand, the SKIP folds effortlessly. At 6.8 kilos, it's ultra compact and ultra lightweight, making it easy to lift, carry and store. With the included carry strap and cover bag, it's the ideal stroller for traveling and easy storage. The SKIP³ fits into the smallest of spaces, from airplane overhead compartments to car boots to apartments. Together, these make it a great stroller, whether traveling locally or abroad. Let me take you through some of its other features. The SKIP³ stroller unfolds in seconds. It's suitable for newborns up to approximately 4 years or 22 kilos. For your newborn, there are 2 options. Option 1, a bassinet which folds while on the stroller, but let me take you through that more later. Option 2, the seat reclines, allowing you to secure your newborn in the seat's 5-point safety harness. When out and about, the super-sized 8-kilo basket provides plenty of storage and one of the biggest in its class. The SKIP³ has an upright and tall backrest, providing comfort for your child. With one hand, the seat can be adjusted downwards to an almost flat recline for sleeps on the go to a fully upright seating position. The SKIP³ stroller features an extra large UPF 50+ extension canopy, offering maximum sun protection and comfort. It also includes a breathable mesh panel at the back of the seat for ventilation. The 5-point safety harness can easily be adjusted with a single press buckle that releases all the straps at once. You can easily remove your child from the stroller. The footrest adjusts in 3 positions, from fully tucked under the seat to a flat position. 1, 2, 3. Its 4-wheel suspension and one-hand steering means you can navigate spaces with ease. It features 360-degree swivel wheels and puncture-proof tyres for low maintenance. The SKIP³ also has a pivoting bumper bar that provides easy access to your child. What's really innovative about the bassinet is that it folds on the stroller without the need to remove. Let me show you how. The bassinet offers a flat position for your newborn without the need to use a harness. It has a full coverage extension canopy with mesh ventilation window to enhance the airflow. The apron secures using a zipper, allowing you to access your baby and remove them from the bassinet. The SKIP³ bassinet folds neatly into the included cover bag for storage or travel. Like all Redsbaby prams, the SKIP³ blends timeless style and durability to last for years to come. And to complement the SKIP³ stroller, we also have a wide range of accessories, including a rain cover and a sunshade to support all your family adventures. Here at Redsbaby, we have our promise: 3-year warranty, 30-day indoor trial, free easy returns, and local lifetime customer support.